ako, sabihin, perfect girl ang kulang sa akin. Yung talaga yung babae na talaga, always there for you, pare.
Ikaw naman, Gerald, anong gusto mo kay Kim?
Kay Kim, yeah, and she's just always there for me. I mean, kahit sulong puyat na po kami or all day work, nandiyan pa rin.
Every Romeo has a Juliet. Wishful thinkers have their stars. Hopeless romantics each have a love song played on their guitars. But you're everything this foolish heart can ever define.
Tunay na buhay. Mahal mo si Kim?
Ano po? I mean, oo, hindi lang yan.
Walang rason.
Huwag mo nang pahirapan.
Oo, hindi. Gerald.
Oo po.
So blessed to call you mine. You're my you, even more. No one else I'll adore. You're my you, in my mind. Simply one of a kind. You're the one who never fails to brighten my day. My princess in every fairy tale. You're my morning delight, such a beautiful sight. You're my you.
Ano po, mahal na mahal. At alam po niya eh. At alam niya dito ako para sa kanya.
Promise me you'll never take them away for as long as I exist. But you're everything this foolish heart could ever define. Every wish, every dream, every prayer come true. I feel so blessed to call you mine.
Tingin mo ba, hindi ka muna may in-love sa ibang babae? Hatay mo talaga.
May in-love? Siyempre hindi. Malalim na yung in-love. Yes! Basta ako, I enjoy pagkasama ko si Kim. Sobra ako ni-enjoy. Siyempre, dito muna ako kung saan po ako masaya. Sana masaya din si Kim.
You're my you, in my mind. Simply one of a kind. You're the one who never fails to brighten my day. My princess in every fairy tale. You're my morning till night, such a beautiful sight. You're the heat of the fire in a cold winter's night. You're a dewdrop in June. You're the sun, you're the moon. You're my you.